Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Good morning, and today is part 11. We're almost done because I added 2 extra page protectors of our double page layouts that we're doing. So yeah, we're almost done. So let's move this out of the way, and we are talking about the Anna Griffin scrapbook kit. Everything that I have used is only in the kit. This is what the album looks like that came with it, and it is called Simply Noel. So the links for it is annagriffinvideos.com and hsn.com. So let's get started. So this is the pages we're doing, and we did this yesterday, and we're using the back side of it, so we're getting a lot of layout with the back side, so because it's double-sided, and that's what the other side looks like. It looks like I need to trim this right here. Yesterday, I guess. Okay, so this is what we're going to make. The only thing is, this is what we had left over right here. And I had these 2 left over, and I kept doing this. Can you see I added the red little bows to here? Remember I said keep cutting the red little bows? I kept wondering, should I leave it like that? Or should I add the other 2 and have 2? And then I thought, okay, should I maybe add this since we have them, which looks really cute, and add this since we have them. It looks really cute. I think we might. I think, since it's there and everything and we have it, what do you think? I think we should. So let's fix this, and then but we do have words left over. So do we move these? See, this is what I mean. I go back and forth. We could put Mary there. We could put family there. We could put friends and family. So that's why I say, I don't know if I should use the embellishments or use that. Or we do have special and cheer left over. What would you do? Would you put family and then put friends? Because we didn't use it a lot. I think we should use one or the other. So you choose which one you want to use. I'm going to leave it blank and let y'all tell me what you think, and then we'll add it later off camera. How about that? Because we have it. We could leave it blank, but we have it, so we should use it. Okay, let's pull this off to the side and tell you what you need. So this is yesterday's right side, and that's going to be our left. So we need 2 of these. We need 4 of the darker green and 1 of the lighter green. We need 1 candy cane, 1 wreath, and I also have the extra little red pieces to cut and use that I was trimming. And we have this. So we need 2 of those. We need 2 of these. And we have 2 of these. So let's put this one off to the side. Let's pull this one here. Let's make sure my paper's going the right direction. And let's pull this here. I cut this in half, and I did not prep. So I need to now cut this in half. So let me do that. 11 squares. So we're going to do 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the middle's right there. So this is okay. Got to do that on both. I'm sorry I did not prep. I have to make this because my paper trimmer doesn't have a thing to hold it down. So to make a straighter line, I always make tick marks. I use this Crafter's Companion one, but it's janky. I need to find a better one. But I do like guillotine cutters instead of the Leigh. My glasses broke today, so I'm wearing glasses. And they're only from the dollar store, but they are too strong. So I'm kind of getting busy as I'm having to wear them. So we cut both, okay? So that's all the prep we needed to do. And I'm going to switch glasses and see if that helps. Okay, so it did not help. They're too strong. All right, I'm doing without. So let's get started. The only thing you have to worry about or figure out is, do you want the white line on this to go to the top or to the bottom? I have it going inside the photo. So see if I can see good enough to make a straight line here. Just put it there. This is a very easy project. I can see that I need to trim this off. The other base, which is, yeah, base. Okay, now let's grab these, and we got the green and the green, and that one there. As soon as I get done with this, we're going to go into Halloween, so it's going to be, wow, what a difference. Okay, so I have this, and it's actually touching the white, and I'm lining it there. And this one is lining up, and it's touching the white at the bottom, so that made it pretty easy. And then this is just a hair. It's not very much. It's not. And look how easy that was. So now, let's put this over here. And we're going to use this in between the two because it kind of gets lost in places, I felt. So I liked it right here. I'm only going to glue it right down the middle so that if you want to put a picture in between here, it can still, and it's right at the tip at the bottom here. So that way you can still stick a picture up underneath there. almost done with it. It's a simple little one and it's beautiful. Pages are all coordinating and it's really nice. So this is going to go under here just a little bit. Go like that. And then this piece, you know me, I like to hide the stem. And so I'm actually going to also stick it underneath that just a little. I'm going to raise it up and show you. Stuck underneath. Okay. And then we have to trim this green so I can use it as a bow. And remember I was telling you to cut these off of the back of the extra, and let's see, does this have a beginning or end? Let's see. I don't know if it has a stem or not, so we're just going to stick it right there, and adding that little bow is nice. So now all we have to do is figure out, do we want to add a name or something else? If that page is done, okay, now let's do the second page. It's even going to be quicker. See what the back is, and let's make sure it's going the right direction. We're going to just copy like this. So let's see how fast this goes, since I don't have to cut and have an opening. So let's just make sure that the paper is going the same direction, the border. So we're having the white go down. Now this one we're having the white go up. I need to run to the dollar store and buy me $1.25 reading glasses so I can see. I think they're only $1 1/4, so it's not real bad. Put tape on these. Whoop, we're out of tape. We'll get another one. Do all 4 corners so that it doesn't flare up. We're going to do the opposite side. That's the first one, and we're going to put it there. The green one is lining up with it. And then this one is just going to go right here. A little closer. And then once again, I'm going to only tape in the middle of this so that it can be a tuck spot for any photos that might get there. These pieces. This video is going to take longer to upload than it will even take to make. So quick and easy. And this one is going this. I think these only went one direction. Maybe not, I don't remember. But it's this one. We're going to stick it underneath there. We're going to get this one. This one. And we're going to stick it underneath there, just a hair. I mean, it's barely really under there. And then we're going to trim this again and make a bow out of this. See, we're not using anything except for what came in Anna's kit. That's why I'm calling this beginners. Because if it was not beginners, we'd be pulling out of my stash with all kind of stuff. one is got the pull the sticky off. The other one was sticky already. This one, I have to pull it off. Let's see. Put it there and peel that off. Now I have this one going down and the other one was up high so that we have room to put another wreath or name. So there you go, guys. There is our page layout. See, there it is. Hope you like it. Have a blessed day. I'm going to make the next video right now. Bye-bye.